How to turn off phone calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. Focus lets you customize your devices and silence calls and notifications. As you can see, your phone is now in Do Not Disturb mode. Go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. Choose a focus from here or tap on Custom if you want to create one. Enter a name for your focus. For example, block all calls. You can also choose a color or emoji for your focus from the options below. After that, tap on Next. Then, tap on Customize Focus. Over here, you can edit and manage your focus settings. Tap on Choose People as shown. Here, tap on Allow Notifications from. Deselect all the people below and then tap on Next. Here, select Allowed People Only and then tap on Done. Finally, go to People again and turn off the Allow Repeated Calls feature. Following these steps, you can easily turn off phone calls on iPhone.